Servo. So Bolius. People, let me tell you something. Ninja Man and a bad man. Ninja Man is ain't nobody. Let me tell you something, people. See there, I step on them ends the other day, people. Wicked. Right go up on them ends. The whole of him and him look a friend of run like thief until I draw down in the war vehicle. So here we go on now. You see look at 1 foot of clock so I'm run left and go up and building, make a burn it tomorrow. People, yes, I'm gonna burn it. Because the boy run off him out, said it. He man look a boy Dr. Love, he man look a Batman and Dr. Love. So let me tell you something. And some people who try to buy out me and Ninja Man war and Dr. Love war, when they don't do it, you know. When it is fans. When they make we the artists do a thing, because if we turn pan on you know, it's not gonna look good. You understand? So that may tell you now. And on someone look at YouTube channel what Epic Pan Ninja Man said, I have to call his name, look at Bally with a tattoo. One man fuck him in New Jersey, I'm gonna fuck him again in England. Yes, I would know him. And every time about him come from Jamaica, when him don't come from no Jamaica, they look at Bally, the ugly face one. You know who he talk, and then bleach out. And then look, and I not have you don't know who me talk already, but and the other one them SO something, CO something, when they come out a bad man argument. I'm here in the Gaza right now, people, I may tell you. Me no walk with gun again. Because you were going on. Ninja Man and a bad man. Dr. Love and a bad man. See that, people? I'm the last me walk with. Any day or night, I see the post them. Whop! One slap over the back. Me not give up to chop them. Because Ninja Man and a bad man, people. As some Batman in a bad man clothes. Dr. Love, a Batman in a bad man clothes. Ninja Man is a Batman in a bad man clothes. Zero set, people. He might run off him out and see the step on him ends and him have a cut and run up in the building and I like a canary bird and a peek through the window like a thief. So Ninja Man couldn't be bad man for me. So come out of the last suit of people. You know spread rumor about me and the Batman son married. Yo, a 6 year mother I have. And none of them no name Ninja Man son. I be a girl them. Ninja Man from your Batman, and you have Batman son automatically, there's a Batman too. You have it in your genes, you have it in your blood, you have it in your closet youth. And a 2 Batman son, you have a 1 son of my daughter. And what kind of spell follow you, Ninja Man, and what kind of obey follow you? Dr. Love, you know, when you say, you have Batman from day one, you understand? Can we find out that that's how we drop the company from early out. You understand? He's like a Judas, some people in union for Judas call him Dr. Love. You understand? So, me hear him drop a look at 1 song, he better hope that song there can sell enough for pay him lawyer fee because when I done sue him $25 million people, Ninja Man and Dr. Love, me sue them for so. Here we go on now. Tell Ninja Man make a step, say go shot the box off him crib, chop off Dr. Love from half of him birth. This star believe them escape, trust me a instant death. What I believe this is that joke thing, me roll up in the skin king, fiberglass and me not take it in the more lyrics to that people so. Tell Ninja Man, stop hide behind Dr. Love and them love behind man. You understand? So, people, and there's something there. So, tomorrow, I'm going to light Ninja Man dirty foot of clocks, the one where I'm run left, I'm just reverse the van and go pick it up and say, alright, pussy one Ninja Man, since you're going like a bad man, come for your clocks back. People, no boy could come from my ends and I think a 2-shot clap. When them even drive out, because I'm not say a man like can't catch my half yard, but drive back off of my and I reverse, I come take up my foot of clocks off of the street side. No, Ninja Man, you're not a bad man. So any day you can say L.A. Lewis, you step on my ends, then me know say a bad man. But people, big up Building Blood, Danger, you don't know the whole entourage, big up Seaview, Waterhouse, Rima, Jungle, One Others, Clam, big up Waterford Pan, you don't know so the Gaza Strip and over there somewhere there. So Ninja Man, if you feel like a bad, try to step on the Gaza, but don't step on your ends already. And you can't defend it. So any day you can't defend it, Ninja Man, you can't chat to me. And you know I'm the lyrics. So any day I'm here with a good lyrics, Ninja Man, you can't chat to me. This one bag of cussing thing, me know unite. So you don't know, people. I'm out of here right now, and I'm the last me walk with, my stop walk with gun. Any day I see Ninja Man, whop, over in blood clot Batman back. Any day I see Dr. Love, whop, over in Batman back. Now the face to get a chop. Man, a bad man from day one. Gaza. Big up Cartel, Royal Boss, all of the Gaza fans, them, England, Nottingham, Canada, America, Servo, 7-star general, Jubilee, the motherfucker, we cut now with the car, they don't know, say, I saw the thing of people, local later, Servo, also some Bolius.